Yeah, hi, hope you're doing good. So, previous class we have discussed about the part 1 configurations of FICO global settings. So, today we are going to discuss about the part 2 configurations of FICO global settings, right? So, here I'm sharing my screen. I'm opening this one, SAP login. Yeah, yes. So, I'm giving my user ID here. Huh. So, previously, we have stopped with assign company code to field status variant. All right. Then we have some more configurations in the FICO global settings. What is that one? First one is document type. The first is document type. So here the transaction code is OBA7. Yeah. So change view document type overview, right? So before we configure this document type, so we need to know the key points of this document type. Actually, document type is used to distinguish between different business transactions and to classify the accounting documents. It is also used to determine the number range for document and account types, such as assets, materials, and vendors, etc. Here, document types are defined at client level only. Okay, document types are applied for all company codes, right? So we can use this document type for reversal posting also. So later we will discuss about this reversal posting, right? So here, what are those document types, right? So here you can see type AA, description is asset posting, type AB, account document, type A, accounting document, type A for depreciation posting, and type A in net asset posting, and type B is bank statement. So like this, we will have these document types. So for this, what we need to do here, you can just click on the this one, asset accounting, right? So this is a document type A. For this, we need to give number ranges, right? So in the system, see here we will have asset accountings, asset postings document type is there, and DJ customer credit memo is there, and customer invoice is also there. Then next, yeah, here vendor document is there, and vendor credit memo is there, and the vendor invoice posting is there, and vendor payment is also there. So I mean, it is not at all required to create new entries for this, or else you can just go to the new entries. What is the document type? Here also you can type it that one, right? So number range, you can get this one. So I mean, in the demo server, we have created all this asset posting, right? So don't waste your time. So I mean, on the creation of this document types, then just click on this document type. So here, I can just go to the number range information option. So this document will allow assets, customers, vendors, materials, and GL account type. What you need to do is you just go to this number range option. So give your company code. In the company code, so I am giving Sarah is my company code. Just go to the intervals. Here, what is the number range? Right here, the number range is 16. Right, Sarah is the code, and go to the intervals. So give the number range, that is 16, right? So here is 2022 from number first to 150. Then just click on the enter option. Yes, go to the save button and save it. The number range was saved for the particular document type, right? Then next, what is the document type? Net asset posting is there, right? For the asset posting, we can create that one also. Here 01 is the number range, right? So go to the number range and give your company code here and click on the enter intervals. Then next, here one option will be there, insert line. So for this, you can give 01 and 2022 and 151 to 300. Yes, go to the save option, and then what we need to post here, I mean, in the demo server, we will post vendor invoices and customer invoices. So for this, you just need to go to the DR, document type DR. What is the DR customer invoice? Okay, here number range is 21. Click on the number range information, give your company code, and click on intervals and click on insert line. So that is 21, right? So 2022 is the year, and 3012 to 450. Okay, then just go to the save option, and the data was saved. Okay, then what we need to have that document type DZ, customer payment, right? So this is very important. So when we are getting customer payments, so document type is very important, and also number ranges are very important. Why? Because we are getting that money from the customer. So for this, we will have this document type DJ and number ranges 4. Go to the number ranges and give your company code. Here intervals is and insert line. What is that one? 14, right? Here and 451 to 600. Huh? Then go to the save option, and okay, nice. And then next, what we have here, vendor invoice is there, vendor payment is there, right? So here just go to the vendor invoice, and before we go to the vendor invoice, you can just go to the customer credit memo. What is the customer credit memo? Later we will discuss in those classes. Number range, give the number range, Sarah, and go to the intervals and insert line. What is that number range? That is 16, right? And 2022 here 6012 to 750. Okay, intervals are already existed. Okay, then no issue here. 16 is already there, so don't we don't need to bother about that one. Then just go to the vendor document invoice. What is the invoice here? Vendor invoice. Here 19 is there. Number range. You give your company code. Click on intervals. And what is that number range that we are missing? 90, right? Go to the intervals and insert line. That is 90. 19 is there, and this is 2022. 600 is there, right? 612 750. So go to the save option and save it. The data was already saved. Then next, go back to that document types. Here, vendor invoice we have created. I mean, number ranges also we have created for this document type, and case it. What is that? Vendor payment. Number range is 15. Go to the number ranges and give your company code intervals. So here insert line. So what is that number range? That is 15, right? Yeah. So 2022. So here 751 to 900. Let's go to the save option and save it. So the data was already saved. So like this, you can just give your number ranges. So for this number ranges, we will have transaction code. What is the transaction code? FBN1. If you go to the FBN1, so whatever the number ranges that we have created for the company code, you can see this one. Go to the intervals. So we have created these number ranges for the particular document types, right? So here you will get one error, like what? So for the account group, so the extension number is assigned. So for the particular this account group, so we will use this extension number also. All right. So when we use this extension number from this number to from this number only, those invoices will be posted. All right. So other than If that number is exceeded, the system will not allow you to post that invoice only. So that is very important here. So these are the extensions, right? So you can just go to the go back actions. Then what we need to do, the next configuration is define tolerance group for employees. So what do you mean by tolerance group? So we will have this transaction code. What is that? OBA4. Yes, tolerance group. I will give you the tolerance group definition. So tolerance groups are used to define different control, different control amounts, which apply to maximum amount of the document and maximum amount of the line item, and also maximum cash discount to customers and vendors, right? So those could be defined globally for every company code or per group of employees, all right? So here we just go to this option, new entries. Here, give your group, that is Sarah, I'm giving. So take your company code and Sarah. So yeah, we have created, right? So here we will have a currency. What is the currency? We have INR, Indian rupee, right? Yeah. So it is not taking. So yeah, no need to worry. So amounting per document, we can just give you a limit. So in demo server, we can just give 999999 like that. So in the real time, so we will give that amount based on the client. All right, whatever they will say, we can just give the amount in this amount per document field. Okay, so here I am giving 999999, right? So this is the one, and the next one is a 999999. Give you that one. And here cash discount per line item. So you can just give the 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%, and everything you want. 5% here I'm giving. Okay, then next here revenue. What is the amount? Least amount, that is 100 you can give. Then next one is a 5%, and then next one is a 5 cash discount. So here expenses also you can give 100 and give 5%, and here give 5 also. Then just click on the enter option. What you need to do is save it. So create here. What is the short description? Creation of tolerance group for Sarah, right? Then go to the save button and save the option, right? So data was saved. Then just go back. Then what is the another one that we need to do here? Assign users to tolerance group. Okay. Here my user ID is 49 user 76, right? So whatever we are posting those invoices in this system, so that ID should be there, right? So for this ID, tolerance group needs to be attached. Okay. So for this, we will have transaction code OB57 is there. So go to the new entries here and give 49 user 76. So this is my username. All right. So give your tolerance group. What is the tolerance group that we have created? That is Sarah is the tolerance group, or else you can just go to the drop down option and find out that one, Sarah. Here Sarah is there, right? Yes, give that one, and the save option already exists with the same key, right? What we need to do is here we can change this 49 user. Where is that one? Go to the position option. Username is user 76. 49 user 76. So we have assigned this tolerance group, that is char, right? You can just remove this one. Whatever you want, you can give. The tolerance group is Sarah, right? Yes. Then give the save option here. What is this one? Assign users to tolerance group, or assign tolerance group to users, right? Then go to the save option and save it. Okay, so this is about the FICO global settings, so part 2 configurations. And thank you so much. Take care. Bye.